Hello our Desi and Pardesi friends. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we are inviting you to our kitchen to show you what we are going to cook for you since it's still lockdown here in the UK and we wanted to cook up something delicious and yummy, so we thought why not make a grilled dinner.
Since Valentine's Day is round the corner, my wife is a big fan of grilled food. I thought I'll do something special for her. So I'm going to make a delicious seafood and meat platter.
And I can't wait for this grilled platter to be ready so that we all can enjoy it together. But before we actually start grilling, let's take a look at the process of marination.
To start, I'm applying oil on the griddle. Here I'm using a cast iron griddle. You can use a tawa or a pan if you don't have this. So first I'm starting with the prawns as this requires less heat.
I can't even wait for this to be served on the dining table. I'm just digging into it right away. It's just so delicious. See, look how tasty it is. And I'm going to put it in my mouth now. Too good, too good.
Nothing left there.
There's nothing left there.
Wow, looks like she enjoyed prawns. Now let's move on to fish.
Where is my sample fish? I can't wait.
Coming. Just patience. There you go.
Where is the full fish? It's just pieces here.
It's a sample, it's a taster.
Very nice. Must have. Machi. What a weekend this is. Good food. Family time. What more can one ask for? Do you want to try some? I'm finishing all of these.
If you leave some, I will try some. All right. Thank you. Now let's move on to chicken. Once this is done, this is going to be very malaidar, tender and a juicy one, believe me. All good things happen to those who wait. Now my favorite, lamb chops.
Arey wow, so delicious. I can't wait to try out these grilled items. Look at the chicken, it is so tender and juicy, and the lamb chops so juicy and succulent. Let's dig into this. Friends, I've got a little bit of everything in my plate. So there's the saffron rice, we've got a little bit of fish, there's the lamb chop, the chicken, the naan, and then here's the grilled tomatoes. So I'm going to now dig in. So just take a piece of naan and try out the fish first. So delicious. I'm so glad that you could join us on this weekend where we had a lot of fun together cooking delicious food. I just can't stop eating. It is so delicious, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video and had a lovely time with us. Well, I'm going to continue to dig into this delicious grilled platter, but we'll see you soon with another mouth-watering recipe. And before you go, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all our latest video uploads. We'll meet up soon again. Until then, have a lovely week ahead.